Hi honeys, it's Michelle. I'm here today to do my first Trunk Club unboxing and I'm super excited about it. I used to get Trunk Club when this page was brand new, and when I moved to Vegas I had a really hard time changing my address to the point that I canceled my account. But I've decided to give them another chance and I'm super excited about it. Now with Trunk Club, each item comes individually wrapped. So I went ahead and got everything out of the plastic, and I'm wearing the first outfit now. This is the BFF Alexa dress in a 1X, and it's $69. It's got a slit that goes all the way up to here. So if you are a slit lover, this might be the dress for you. It's very comfortable. It's a nice soft cotton. In the pictures, I thought it was polyester, but it is. It's this really soft cotton that I find very cozy. I love the length of the arms. It hides some of the stuff up here, and it's got an elastic waist on it. I now have on the Def Leppard graphic tee. It's a 1X chaser tee in white, and it's $35.40. So I guess it's on sale with that price being what it is. And then I also have on the Felix Power Mesh skirt in a 2X. It says AFRM, not sure what that means, in brown, and the skirt is $68. I really like the length of this skirt. I like that it's long. I don't have to feel insecure about my legs. It's layered, and it's got a stitching that attaches the layer. So that's nice. So if it's really windy, I don't have to worry about flashing everybody. And I like that the layering on it is thick enough to where I could wear any color underwear I want with it and not show. Here's what the waistline looks like. It's just one piece of elastic with the two sides, with the two layers sewn in. And then this is the Def Leppard top. I think this is cute. I think as far as the top goes, I don't like that you can see my bra through it and the skirt through it. So I think I'm probably going to pass on this. I'm also not that fond of this color on me. But let me know what you think. Now I have on the Personal Record V-neck sweater in an extra large, and the cut of this is called Lulus, and it's white. It's a little bit of a creamy white, and it's $15.60. It's almost kind of like a waffle knit. Let me get really close so I can show you here. So I would probably wear a camisole under this, but this deeper V-neck sweater, it kind of reminds me of the 80s, and I'm loving it. And then as far as the sleeves go, it's got this nice cuff on it, and then it's kind of puffy. I think it's super cute. What do you think? And then along the bottom, the hem on it, it's just real simple and nice. It's very soft and cozy, and it's nice and cool though with all these holes in it. So it's very breathable. So I kind of feel like this would be the shirt that I would wear if we were going on a day trip somewhere. I could have a bathing suit or a white camisole or something under it, and I could wear this in the car because my arms always get burnt real bad from the sun. Even if I wear sunscreen, I get a heat rash on the inside of my elbow, like this part here, and usually it'll go down here too. The heat rashes are horrible for me. But if the sun doesn't hit my arms in the car in the summer, I don't get that. So this is the kind of thing I would probably wear on a day trip or something. I just think that'd be kind of nice, and that's kind of a nice layering piece. I've got the next top on and I realized I've been saying this backwards. What I've been saying is the brand is actually the description, and then the description was the brand. So it was the AFRM skirt in the Felix Power Mesh. It was the Chaser brand shirt in the Def Leppard graphic tee. It was the Lulus personal record V-neck sweater. And now I have on the BP June Jelly Slide. Oh wait, no, that's not it. Now I have on the BP tie-dye sweater in blue and an extra large. And I think BP is one of Nordstrom's brands. It's $39 and it's really soft. It's quite lightweight. It feels more like a cotton sweater. I feel like this is one of those sweaters I could have out all year long because it's just super cozy and not too warm. On the bottom, I have One State tie waist cozy knit joggers in blue and a 2X, and they're $79. So it's got the drawstring waist. They're a bit high-waisted. My belly button is down here. And they do have pockets. They're a very warm winter pajama knit. So I think for me, they're probably way too hot for right now. I also have a pair that looks almost identical to them. So I probably won't keep the joggers, but I just wanted to explain why. But this top though, I love the tie-dye, I love the cut. I feel like I could figure out a way to make this work during any season, which is kind of cool. So this one might be a keeper. Let me know what you think though. And then this is the Oversize graphic tee in an extra large by BP in pink, and it's $17.40. I think it's super cute. I will say though, one, I kind of like V-neck shirts or shirts that are a little bit lower. It's not too high though. I'd probably be comfortable in it. I do really like the color. I think it's perfect for the spring and summer. The only issue for me is that it's a very thick cotton. So I'd only be able to wear this in the spring. In the summer, it would be too hot. I almost feel too hot right now in it. But here's what it looks like. Okay, then we have this. This is the Nordstrom brand sterling silver cubic zirconia delicate birthstone pendant necklace in blue, and it's $39. I think it's really cute. I thought the stone would be a little bit bigger, and I think it's $39 is a little steep for me, probably because I buy so many of my jewelry pieces at thrift shops. It just feels a little too high for me, so I'm probably going to pass on this. I think if it was a little bit bigger or the necklace on it was a little bit longer maybe, but it'd come to about here on me, which would be fine, but I wanted the stone to be a little bigger. The other three items that I got are all shoes or sneakers, so I'm going to move you down here and show you those. This is the first pair of shoes, and they do feel a little bit tight. They've got this little piece of plastic holding them together, and I don't want to break it since I'm definitely sending them back. These are the BP brand June Jelly Slide sandals, and they're $19.95, and they're a size 10. So here's what they look like. They've got little glitter in the plastic there. These are the Chuck Taylor All-Star Lift High Top Platform sneakers. They're a size 10 and they're $70. And these are a pink. You can lace them all the way up like I have here. or you can lace them halfway up like I have here. Okay, sorry I've got you down on the floor, but let me show you these close up here. Hi, Marty. So here's what they look like close up. Okay, you can move now. I think Marty likes these shoes too. They're very comfortable. For Converse, they feel very cushiony inside. I like that I have the option to lace them all the way up or half up. I think that's really nice too. He's loving this. Now the last pair I decided to not even try on. So I've got wide, fat feet. And these shoes are just, I can tell looking at them that they're too narrow. But when I wear shoes that are real narrow looking like this, it makes my feet look even wider, which I'm trying to avoid. These are the ones that come already distressed looking, but they're not actually distressed. They've never been worn. They're cute. Also, one thing, I'm kind of trying to avoid white shoes. In Vegas, the asphalt here is black and it comes off on my shoes. It just is what it is. And I found light colored shoes are okay, but white ones like this, they end up with these all along the back and the sides with this black tar residue, especially in the summer, which is when I would wear these white sneakers. So if I'm going to get white sneakers, it'd probably be something at Walmart that's like $5 or $10. I'm not going to spend, what is this? Oh, okay, come on, scoot over. $99.95, and then have them get ruined by the asphalt here. But yeah, these are the Aubrey sneakers in a size 10. You having fun, sir? He's like rolling around in plastic over here and tissue. He's having so much fun. I want to be a cute cat. Just have fun rolling around all over the place. Is it fun being you? I think it's fun being him. Well, thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day or night. Please let me know what you think of these clothes. What would you pick if you were me? And also, please let me know if you have any of these. What do you think of them? Are they comfortable? Do you find they wash well? That kind of thing. I love hearing that kind of stuff. So please don't hesitate to let me know. I love you. Bye.